Hey, how's it going? So I'm back with another unboxing, and I was long overdue. Well, I shouldn't say that. I wasn't that long overdue. I had an iPhone 7 Plus, which is actually what I'm recording this video with. I decided to get a new phone because my parents, right now my mom has an iPhone. I don't know what she has, maybe a 7 or 8 or 6. I don't remember. Anyways, my mom has a phone. My dad doesn't. They kind of been sort of using that one phone, and I think my dad's buddies, want to call him or text him, and it's kind of weird. He doesn't have a phone, I guess. Long story short, I'm gonna give him this phone that's actually recording this video currently, and I bought a new iPhone, and that's what I'm going to unbox right now. So I end up going with the iPhone XR, and I'll be frank, in terms of the specs, for the most part, I think the other models actually had better specs overall. But with that said, I even this phone I currently have, I don't really use its full capabilities. I like this idea where I'll edit my photos, edit videos, and all that good stuff on my phone. And the reality is I just have never really done any of that stuff. So I figured, maybe save like $100, $200. I forgot what it was. I got the 256 gig version of this. I believe there's maybe a 512 for this phone. I don't know. I had 256 on this one recording, and that did the job. Anyways, I'm just gonna unwrap this. I'm just gonna read off the Apple page. All screen design, longest battery life ever in an iPhone, fastest performance, water and splash resistant, studio quality photos and 4K video. I have to say it's a very nice looking device. It's got some heft to it, actually. It's got, it's got like I guess like a metallic finish. I was reading a bit about the back. Like this freaking camera right here, I feel like it's gonna get scratched, to be frank. It really sticks out, but I don't know. I'll think about it. I generally don't like having a case on my phone unless it's just gonna get scratched to hell. Even the adapter has slightly different material, so that's kind of interesting to me. It's funny, I saw these earbuds and I was excited for a second, thinking like, oh snap, they come with the AirPods, but they have wires. That would have been pretty sweet though. These things in the past don't fit my ears well, so probably won't be using those. The lightning cable. That's really about it. I'm just gonna quickly, obviously the instructions, hello, blah, blah, blah. I'm just gonna quickly go through the page. Fastest performance, studio quality photos and 4K video. More secure with Face ID than a new iPhone XR. It's a brilliant upgrade. The new generation of iPhone. Introducing Liquid Retina. The new display in iPhone XR is the most advanced LCD in the industry. An innovative backlight design allows the screen to stretch into the corners, so you see true-to-life color from one beautiful edge to the other. Blah, blah. I'm on this article by Forbes. It doesn't really make the iPhone XR look that sweet compared to the iPhone XS. It actually says, the one thing, I got a pop-up, of course. Perhaps the most surprising difference between the iPhone XS and iPhone XR is it's the latter, which has the bigger display. So this guy actually has a bigger display, but then it says, that said, everything else about the iPhone XR screen is inferior. So I guess I have an inferior screen versus the XS. The XR is a 6.1-inch LCD screen. The XS has a 5.8-inch OLED screen. True Tone as in both of them. The pixels on this are smaller actually. I don't know, reading this, I'm like, maybe I should have gotten the XS. And this is another disc. In fact, the iPhone XR can't even display full HD 1080p content. That's surprising for a 6.1 inch device. I don't know, maybe it wasn't the right move, but I'll live. If I happen to somehow make a good deal of money and I feel like, hey, why not? Maybe I'll just upgrade sooner than I usually do. But, you know, barring that happening, probably stick with this phone for, you know, a few years. We'll see. In any case, thank you very much for watching. Maybe I'll review this phone in the future. I don't know. I'm sure there's more than enough reviews of this phone. I feel like I might have some other more interesting things to review. In any case, yeah, so far so good with this phone. It has a nice feel to it. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like these videos. As I've mentioned before, I'm going to start actually reviewing products instead of just unboxing them. I might even cut down on the unboxings and actually start reviewing. Eventually I'll start editing these videos, blah, blah, blah. In any case, thanks, and have a good one.